going to Dick's. This is the best thing ever.
So you're doing boneless buffalo wings. Oh.
And we're off back to the other tree stand this time. I saw the big buck this morning and he was down closer to the other tree stand. So I'm gonna get it ready since we never finished getting it ready. Hang the safety strap system, cut down some loose branches and stuff that's blocking shots. And hopefully he's still hanging out around here. Got gunshots over there. Yesterday we had gunshots way on the other side of the road. So hopefully now everything works in our favor and we can put this big boy on the ground. That fits him so much better. And he's a little bit red right now.